Every batch of whey protein begins with fresh milk. Thousands of liters arrive every hour in refrigerated tanker trucks. After secure connections are made, powerful food-grade pumps through. Before unloading begins, every connection must be perfectly clean and completely sealed. Workers attach a food-grade sanitary hose between the milk tank. After the system is approved, the transfer pump starts and the process begins. Fresh milk moves through the sanitary hose under controlled flow meters, and operators monitor the transfer. Fresh milk now enters the factory's receiving tank. The powerful inlet distributes the milk evenly, while the large stainless steel vessel safely collects it for the next stage.
Discreet acted.
To preserve freshness, the milk is immediately chilled inside the insulated storage tank. A cooling jacket surrounding the tank circulates refrigerated, maintaining a stable low temperature.
After cooling, the milk is gently mixed inside the storage tank. The slow-moving agitator keeps the milk uniform, preventing the cream from settling. With the milk officially approved, the storage tank out valve is opened under automatic control. Chilled milk begins flowing smoothly into the transfer pipeline, where fresh milk now travels through the factory's sanitary transfer pipeline. Along the way, automated instruments continuously measure flow rate and pressure, while after passing through the sanitary pipeline, inside the machine, the milk is through the rotating feed chamber. This ensures an even flow before the actual separation process begins. Inside the centrifugal separator, hundreds of rapidly rotating conical discs create thousands of thin flow channels. As the milk passes through these channels, after separation, the protein-rich skim milk leaves the centrifugal separator through its dedicated sanitary outlet. As it travels toward the cheese production area, after cream separation, the protein-rich skim milk enters the cheese production vat through a sanitary inlet nozzle. Automated controls regulate the filling process, while after the starter culture has been evenly distributed, a carefully measured amount of food-grade rennet is added. This natural enzyme prepares the milk for coagulation. The rennet is to ensure uniform fermentation. The starter culture is gently mixed throughout the milk. The slow-moving agitator distributes the benefit. After the rennet is added, the milk is left completely undisturbed. Over time, the enzyme links the milk proteins together, forming a soft, continuous gel. Once coagulation is complete, automated stainless steel cutting wires divide the soft milk gel. This increases the surface area, allowing liquid whey to begin separating naturally. After the curd is cut, liquid whey begins separating naturally from the curd cubes. As the protein network contracts, more whey is released. Gradually, once enough whey has separated from the curds, the automated drain valve opens. A sanitary retaining screen keeps the curds inside the vat, flows into a dedicated pipeline. After leaving the cheese vat, the fresh liquid whey is transferred into a dedicated collection tank. Here it is temporarily stored under controlled condition filtration system, where the valuable whey will be concentrated. Inside the ultrafiltration system, microscopic membranes act like highly selective filters. Water, lactose, and minerals pass through the tiny. After ultrafiltration, the whey protein enters the diafiltration stage. Purified water is added while the membrane system removes additional lactose and other small molecules.
Before drying, whey protein is pasteurized. Inside the heat exchanger, heat passes through plates. Inside the spray dryer, the concentrated whey protein is atomized into millions of microscopic droplets. As these droplets meet carefully controlled streams of hot filtered air.
Before blending, the whey protein powder passes through a precision vibratory sifter. The stainless steel mesh removes oversized particles, allowing only uniform powder to continue. Freshly dried whey protein powder is still warm when it leaves the spray dryer. Inside the fluidized bed cooler, filtered air gently lifts every powder particle, removing remaining moisture. After screening, the whey protein powder enters a sealed ribbon blender. The slow-moving ribbons create a perfectly uniform mixture. After blending, the finished whey protein powder moves to the automated filling line. Precision auger fillers dispense the exact programmed weight into every container, while check weighing.
Before sealing, an automatic system places a measuring scoop into every container. The package is then flushed with food-grade nitrogen.
Each container is packed, sealed, and stacked by robotic systems. The pallets are wrapped, stored, and loaded onto transport trucks. From here, the finished whey protein begins its journey through global